This session is designed to help you release feelings of loneliness during the holiday season and cultivate a sense of inner peace and connection. Please ensure you're in a safe, quiet space where you can fully relax. Do not listen while driving or operating machinery. A full disclaimer is available in the description below. Let's begin. Welcome to Soul Hypno Vibe. I'm Jocelyn, and today's session is here to help you release feelings of loneliness during the holiday season and replace them with a sense of inner peace, love, and connection. The holidays can sometimes feel isolating, but within this session, you'll find the strength and comfort to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. If this session resonates with you, please consider supporting Soul Hypno Vibe by buying me a coffee at www.buymeacoffee.com/soulhypnovibe. Your support helps me create more uplifting and transformative content. Now, settle into a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep, calming breath in through your nose. Hold it gently, and as you exhale through your mouth, allow the tension in your shoulders, neck, and jaw to melt away. Let's take this time to find peace together. Let's start by grounding ourselves in the present moment, creating space for peace and connection. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine a soft, warm light glowing above your head. This light represents comfort, love, and healing. With every breath, feel this light slowly moving through your body. It flows across your forehead, easing any mental tension. It moves down your neck and shoulders, releasing the weight of loneliness. It travels through your chest, filling your heart with warmth and calm. Finally, it moves down your legs and to your feet, grounding you in the here and now. Now, visualize yourself standing in a beautiful, quiet winter scene. Snowflakes fall gently around you, and the air is crisp and clean. You are surrounded by a soft glow of light, reminding you that you are safe, loved, and connected. This moment is yours to breathe, to let go, and to simply be. Silently affirm, I am present and open to peace. I release the weight of loneliness and allow comfort into my heart. I am grounded, calm, and safe in this moment. Now let's release any feelings of loneliness or sadness that may be lingering. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine all those feelings being carried away by the snowflakes around you. Watch as the wind gently carries them off into the distance, leaving you lighter, freer, and more at ease. Picture a soft golden light expanding from your heart. This light holds the energy of connection and love. With every breath, feel it growing stronger, filling you with warmth and comfort. Now, reflect on moments in your life where you felt love, joy, or connection. It could be a hug from a loved one, a kind word from a friend, or even a quiet moment of peace with yourself. Let these memories fill your heart, reminding you that you are never truly alone. Silently affirm, I release feelings of loneliness and embrace peace. I carry the love and connection of past moments with me. My heart is open to comfort and healing. Let's focus on cultivating a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine yourself walking through a winter forest. The trees are tall and majestic, their branches sparkling with frost. You feel a sense of wonder and belonging, as though the world is embracing you with open arms. Now, picture yourself pausing by a gently flowing stream. The water reflects the stars above, reminding you of the infinite connections that exist in the universe. As you reach out to touch the water, feel a wave of peace and love flowing back to you, reminding you that you are part of something greater. Reflect on this connection and know that you are a valuable part of the world. Your energy touches others in ways you may not realize. You are loved, appreciated, and never truly alone. Silently affirm, I am connected to myself and the world around me. I am part of something greater, and my presence matters. I open my heart to the love and connection that surrounds me. Let's anchor this peace and love deeply within you, so it becomes a guiding light in your life. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine a warm, golden light forming at the center of your chest. This light is your inner peace, your strength, and your connection to the world. With every breath, feel it growing brighter, spreading through your entire body and radiating out into the world. This light reminds you that you are loved, that you matter, and that you are never truly alone. It is a part of you, always present, ready to guide and comfort you whenever you need it. Silently affirm, I am filled with peace, love, and strength. I carry this light within me wherever I go. I am connected to the love and support of the universe. To close, let's seal this transformation with affirmations to guide you through the holiday season. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I am grateful for the love and connection in my life. I release loneliness and embrace inner peace. I open my heart to the joy and magic of the season. I am surrounded by love, both seen and unseen. I am never alone. I am always connected to the world around me. My presence brings light and love to others. Feel these affirmations sinking deeply into your subconscious, becoming part of your inner truth. As we bring this session to a close, carry this sense of peace and connection with you into the holiday season. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. When I reach 5, you'll gently return to full awareness, bringing with you the calm and positivity cultivated here. 1. Feeling the surface beneath you and the air around you. 2. Becoming aware of the warmth and light within you. 3. Taking a deep breath, feeling peaceful and connected. 4. Becoming more awake, present and aligned with love. 5. Gently opening your eyes, fully awake, fully present, and ready to embrace the joy of the season. Thank you for joining me today at Soul Hypno Vibe. I wish you a holiday season filled with love, peace, and connection. I look forward to seeing you in the next session.